everyone, this is Midnight Mommy. So for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng force diagrams. So yung mga force diagrams, madalas natin itong ginagamit sa physics para makapag-solve ng mga problems, especially pagdating sa paghahanap ng mga net forces or sa mga acceleration. So lahat ng mga examples na to, kinuha ko siya sa physicsclassroom.com. So I suggest na kung meron kayong time, visit physicsclassroom.com kasi marami kayong mga matututunan doon. At saka meron din silang mga simulated exercises para mas maintindihan nyo itong sa force diagram. So tingnan natin example natin. A book is at rest on a tabletop. Diagram the forces acting on the book. Okay, so ang gagawin ko lang dito is, nag-assume ako na let's say itong box, it represents our book. Okay? And then identify natin yung mga forces that is acting on the book. So sinabi dyan, it is at rest on a tabletop. So kung nasa tabletop siya, ibig sabihin merong normal force acting on the book. Saan nanggaling tong normal force na to? Itong normal force na to, galing siya dun sa table. So kung hindi pa kayo familiar dun sa mga different types of forces, I suggest panoorin nyo rin yung video ko about dun sa types of forces para mas maintindihan nyo yung mga susunod nating discussions. So, since at rest yung book, okay, so sinasabi natin na kapag ang isang object is at rest, ang ibig sabihin nito, yung ating net force, okay, is also equal to your gravitational force. Or sinasabi natin na sila ay balance. Okay, kapag balance, ang forces, ibig sabihin, same sila ng magnitude or pareha sila ng value. So, mapapansin nyo din, drawing ko siya di ba mula dun sa center. Kasi yung center na yon, it represents the center of mass. So, ngayon, kung meron kang normal force, obviously, dahil yung book natin is nasa Earth, okay, so that means meron din tayong force of gravity that is acting downwards. So, parati nating tatandaan ang direction ng gravitational force natin is always downward. Okay. Now, ano pa nabanggit dyan? So, since at rest naman siya, so hindi siya moving, ibig sabihin wala siyang mga applied forces acting on the book. So, that means ito lang po yung ating drawing. Okay? So, although meron kang friction between the book and the tabletop, so usually sa mga force diagrams, hindi na natin ini-include yung friction unless sabihin sa problem. A gymnast holding onto a bar is suspended motionless in mid-air. So the bar is supported by two ropes that attach to the ceiling. Diagram the forces acting on the combination of the gymnast and bar. Okay, so assume natin na yung gymnast and yung bar is isang object lang. Okay, so let's just say na ito yung ating object na yon, okay, and i-represent natin siya ng isang box. So sabi dyan, suspended motionless in mid-air. So, ibig sabihin at rest yung gymnast natin. Nakabitin lang siya. So, kung nakabitin siya, meron siyang tinatawag na tension force. So, saan nanggaling yung tension force na yon? Kasi galing yung tension force na yun dun sa two ropes na naka-attach doon sa ating bar na kung saan nakahawak yung gymnast natin. So, ibig sabihin dito, meron kang dalawang tension forces. So, gagawin ko na lang na ano. Okay. So, since wala naman siya nabanggit na angle dyan, so pwede natin i-assume na meron ka ritong dalawa. Yan. Meron kang dalawang tension forces dyan. Let's call this as FT. Yan. Okay. And then, nabanggit din dyan na, of course, yung gymnast natin is nasa Earth. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, meron din tayong force of gravity. Ayan. FG. Okay. Acting on the gymnast and the bar. Okay. So, the next one, an egg is free falling from a nest in a tree. So neglect air resistance and diagram the forces acting on the egg as it is falling. So remember, yung egg dito is free falling. So sinasabi natin na kapag free falling ang isang object, walang ibang force na nag-act dito, kundi gravity lang. Kaya meron tayo dito na force of gravity which is acting downwards. Okay, wala bang air resistance? Sinabi sa problem na we have to neglect air resistance. Okay, so kaya hindi na natin sinama dun sa diagram natin yung air resistance. Flying squirrel is gliding, no wing flaps, from a tree to the ground at constant velocity. Consider air resistance and diagram the forces acting on the squirrel. Okay, so kung i-assume natin itong box na to, i-represent niya yung squirrel. Okay, sabi dyan, it is gliding from a tree to the ground. So, pababa yung movement niya at constant velocity. So, ano ibig sabihin ng constant velocity? Ibig sabihin nito, yung acceleration ng ating squirrel is equal to 0. Okay, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, wala ng other forces na nag-act sa kanya. Meron. So, ano yung mga forces na yon? First, since yung squirrel is nasa ere siya, that means meron siyang force of gravity. Ayan, so downward yung kanyang direction. Okay? And then sabi rito, kailangan natin i-consider ang air resistance. So di ba nabanggit natin before na ang air resistance, it acts opposite to the direction of the motion of the object. So kung pababa yung ating squirrel, that means yung air resistance natin is acting upwards. Ayan, so yan po yung ating direction ng ating air resistance. Okay, so sa case na to, since constant velocity to, ang tawag dito actually is dynamic equilibrium. So pag sinabi nating dynamic equilibrium, ang ibig sabihin nun, yung net force is equal to 0. And kapag ang net force mo is equal to 0, ibig sabihin nun, yung dalawang forces acting on that object is balanced. So sa case na to, pwede nating sabihin na yung air friction is also equal to your force of gravity. Pero magkaiba lang sila dito ng direction, pero parehas sila ng magnitude. So next one, a rightward force is applied to a book in order to move it across a desk with a rightward acceleration. Consider frictional forces. Neglect air resistance. Diagram the forces acting on the book. So let's say ito yung book natin. Okay, so ang sabi dyan, meron tayong rightward force acting on the book. So pwede tayong mag-drawing dito from the center ng force na applied. Okay, applied force kasi sabi dyan, applied yung rightward force na yun sa book, in order to move it across a desk with the rightward direction. So, of course, yung book is nasa earth siya, so that means meron siyang force of gravity, so which is acting downward. And nabanggit din dito na nasa ibabaw siya ng desk. So, yung desk na yun, nag-a-apply siya ng normal force. Kaya meron din tayo ritong normal force going upwards. Yan. And sabi, consider frictional forces. So, i-consider natin ang frictional forces. That means meron tayong force of friction acting to the left. Yan. So, remember, ang friction force natin is opposite doon sa direction ng motion ng object. So, kung ang object natin is nabanggit kasi dito, nag-move siya to the right. So, that means ang friction natin is moving to the left. And last one, a college student rests a backpack upon his shoulder. So the pack is suspended motionless by one strap from one shoulder. Diagram the forces acting on the backpack. Okay, so kung i-assume natin itong box na to, nag-represent ng ating backpack. Okay, so what are the forces acting on the backpack? So meron tayo ditong, sabi dyan, yung backpack natin is, meron siyang one strap. So kung meron siyang isang strap dito, we can safely assume na meron kang tension force acting on the strap. And ang direction nito is going upwards. And obviously, meron ka rin ditong weight. Okay, so meron tayong FG. Okay, force of gravity acting on the backpack. Okay, so yung we can safely assume here na yung FT natin is just also equal to your FG. Bakit? Kasi sabi rito, suspended, motionless. Dahil ang ibig sabihin nito, yung net force acting on the backpack is equal to 0. So that means balance yung value ng ating FT at yung ating FG. So for my next video, panoorin niyo po kung paano natin gagamitin yung force diagrams para makapag-solve ng mga problems related to net force and to find the acceleration of an object.